Hi, it's Katarina here with Beauty Junkies. I'm here today to show you how to use a Pro Contour Sponge to cream contour the face in just a very few easy, simple steps. So let's begin. Starting off with your dampened sponge, you can do this by either placing your sponge under the water for a couple of seconds, wringing it out, or using a water mist as well, just to make your sponge damp. It's going to make it more bouncy, and it's just going to make the creams blend seamlessly onto your skin. Next, taking your cream contour, you're just going to want to put the pointed side of your sponge into the product first, and then we're going to start right here on the hollows of your cheekbones, typically starting at the end of where your ear is, and just doing dabbing motions, going to be placing the product. Also want to take this a little bit on the temples. This is going to help make the forehead appear slimmer and more narrow. And it's going to just help give dimension to the face. Typically people like to follow that 3. It's the easiest trick. So you're going to start here, placing your contour area where your first shadow is going to start. You're going to bring it back out right in here where your cheekbones are. And then you're going to follow it right here under your jawline as well. So once you have your cream contour placed where you'd like, go ahead and flip the sponge over using the flat angled side, and this is where you can just start to blend upward. You want to try to blend upward rather than downwards because we're trying to accentuate the cheekbone and lift the cheekbone here. And there you have it, how to cream contour your face using the Pro Contour Sponge in just a very few easy, simple steps.